Possessors of the spouse visa in the United Kingdom can have indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom. On the other hand, in order for the spouse visa process to go effortlessly, you must get ready for it.
And her goal is not in her. She's a diamond under.
Before we continue, please support us by liking, sharing and commenting on our videos. So today we are going to talk about UK Spouse Visa, Top 10 Frequently Asked Questions. This also denotes that you must evaluate some of the utmost common inquiries inquired by our subscribers on YouTube. This is essentially the only reason of this blog, to assist you get prepared for the route, so that you can drastically reduce the anxiety related with it. Let's continue with the top 10 questions asked. Question number 1. Where do I apply for the United Kingdom spouse visa? If you are presently in the United Kingdom, and you have been granted leave for over 6 months, then you have the option of submitting an application for leave. This way, you may remain in the United Kingdom as a spouse. Migrants who are in the United Kingdom have a limit of leave for 6 months. On the other hand, you are needed to exit the United Kingdom if you want to apply for entry clearance. When submitting a spouse visa application for a visa outside the United Kingdom, you must do that in your country of residence. Question number 2. If a couple is married outside the United Kingdom, will the marriage be recognized? Ultimately, if the marriage ceremony took place out of the United Kingdom, it will only be known if the wedding was accepted in the country in which it occurred. The wedding or civil service was carried out as per the rules and regulations of the country. There is nothing that stops the marriage from being accepted. Besides this, previous marriages or civil partnerships must be broken down. Question number 3. What is the United Kingdom spouse visa processing time? It can be quite worrying to hang around for a reply. You have submitted all the credentials, and now you pass the time. But then again, how long do you have to hold your fire for? As per the United Kingdom Home Office, applications submitted from outside the United Kingdom are administered between 3 and 6 months from the date application was submitted. However, in exceptional, discrete circumstances, there is a likelihood of applying for priority service if the condition asks of it. Apparently, priority services has an additional fee. Question number 4. When to apply for a British passport? When you obtain the United Kingdom spouse visa, there is a time limit of 30 months, along with an added 3 months, in the event that you're also applying for entry clearance. Ahead of the expiration of the current leave, according to the rule, you have to submit an extension application. Typically, the applicants who are in the United Kingdom, under the spouse visa category, have a 5-year path to settlement. Going forward, the applicant is entitled for indefinite leave to remain, after 2 permits of 30 months. Fundamentally, after attaining the indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom, as a spouse of a British national, you may well apply to become a British citizen automatically. Question number 5. Can I apply for United Kingdom spouse visa after marriage? As per the United Kingdom immigration rules, a spouse visa application can be submitted even after the wedding. Furthermore, for individuals that are in a relationship near to marriage for over 24 months, they may well be able to be eligible to apply as an unmarried partner. Question number 6. Is work permitted in the United Kingdom on a spouse visa? Once your application for the United Kingdom spouse visa has been accepted, you have a variety of rights. Fundamentally, you are free to take an employment or even launch a business. Simultaneously, according to the rules and regulations, you will obtain healthcare under the NHS. Question number 7. If my spouse switches her profession after my arrival in the United Kingdom, how will this have an effect on me? To meet the requirements for the United Kingdom spouse visa, you need to meet precise financial obligations. That is the case whether you apply to prolong your stay as a spouse or whether you desire to apply for indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom. In most circumstances, to deal with the income obligations, couples depend on the earnings of the British partner. Fundamentally, it is insignificant if your conditions have transformed, as long as the monetary obligations are met. This is remarkably essential if you are wondering to extend your United Kingdom spouse visa application. Question number 8. Where can we reside in the United Kingdom after attaining my United Kingdom spouse visa? The rules and regulation evidently states is that the couple must have satisfactory lodging at their disposal, with no need to recourse to public funds. In addition to this, the couple must have sufficient earnings to cover the domestic expenses, in the case in which there are other family members that will be residing in the same house. On the whole, the house shouldn't be congested. Besides this, you must have authorization to reside in the property. And this must be permitted by the owner himself. Depending on your personal conditions, you may or may not be required to facilitate a clear amount of proof. Question number 9. Can I still work in the United Kingdom if I have overstayed my spouse visa? According to the Home Office rules and regulations, you are not permitted to work in the United Kingdom if you are overstaying. This relates even if your application process is undecided. What you need to do is hang on until the Home Office administers your spouse visa application, and you can progress from that point ahead. Question number 10. What to do if United Kingdom spouse visa application is rejected? The United Kingdom spouse visa application process can be truly traumatic, and you possibly will be expecting the worst case situation, that of having your application rejected. In this situation, in most circumstances, you have the right to appeal. Basically, a United Kingdom spouse visa application is viewed as a human rights claim. Nevertheless, the spouse visa application process can be quite complex if you desire to appeal the rejection, and you must look for the help of a certified solicitor. Bearing in mind that chasing this path on your own is not feasible. The end result. Obviously, there are numerous other queries you could have on this subject, as it can be rather puzzling, but if you are doing investigation prior to applying for the spouse visa, you are on the right track. On a final note, make certain that you get familiar with the Home Office rules and regulation requirements that apply in your case so that you identify what to anticipate. We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Thanks for watching.